It's a dream come true. You've been thinking about this for 20 years and now you finally see it and it looks like in your dreams. Well, it's this dark spot in the very center and this ring of fire surrounding it. Right in this shadow where light disappears, time seems to come to a standstill. Everything that passes through this region will never ever be able to come back in the theory of Einstein. We still have to understand how it really works, how it operates. We think the black hole is spinning itself. We have to measure this. We have to see how the light is actually generated. This is a super heavyweight champion among the black holes in the universe.